Hello everyone! Today I have a story that will inspire you, teach you life lessons, and help you improve your English at the same time. It's the story of a man who faced failure after failure but refused to give up. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how perseverance can change your life, but you'll also learn new words and phrases to use in your daily conversations. So, stay with me till the end, and let's dive into this incredible journey. Once upon a time, there was a man named Victor. He lived in a small town, working as a carpenter. Victor wasn't rich, nor was he particularly skilled, but he had one quality that stood out. He never gave up, no matter how difficult things got. One year, a terrible storm hit the town and destroyed many homes, including Victor's workshop. His tools, his savings, and his livelihood were all gone in a single night. People told him to give up and move to another place, but Victor decided to rebuild. With no money, he started by borrowing tools from friends and neighbors. It was slow, and some days he barely made progress, but he kept going. Months passed, and Victor's workshop was finally ready. Just as he started getting customers again, another tragedy struck. A fire broke out in the market, and once again, Victor lost everything. This time, even his friends said, "Maybe this is a sign to stop. You've tried enough." But Victor shook his head and said, "As long as I have my hands, I can work. And as long as I can work, I will rebuild." This time, Victor learned from his mistakes. He built his workshop with fireproof materials, even though it took him longer and cost him more. His determination caught the attention of a local businessman, who decided to invest in Victor's workshop. Years went by, and Victor became one of the most successful carpenters in the region. People admired him not for his skills, but for his perseverance. Whenever someone in the town felt like giving up, they would remember Victor's story. He taught everyone that failure is not the end. Quitting is. So what can we learn from Victor? Just like him, when you're learning English, you'll face challenges. You might struggle with pronunciation, grammar, or even remembering words. Some days you'll feel like you're not improving at all. But remember, progress takes time. If you keep trying, step by step, you'll get there. Here are a few words and phrases we can take from today's story. Perseverance. The ability to keep going despite difficulties. Sentence. Learning English requires perseverance, especially when it feels hard. Rebuild. To build something again after it's been damaged or destroyed. Sentence. Victor had to rebuild his workshop twice after disaster struck. Determination. The quality of being firm in your decisions and not giving up. Sentence. With determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Failure. A lack of success in doing something. Sentence. Failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to start again more wisely. Livelihood. The way someone earns money to live. Sentence. The storm destroyed Victor's livelihood, but he didn't give up. Now think about your own journey. What's something you've been struggling with? Whether it's learning English or achieving a personal goal, remember Victor's story. Never give up. Even small steps, when taken consistently, will lead to success. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep learning English and growing together. See you in the next one.